Hello there, world. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Joe, a licensed, certified public accountant with over 10 years' experience in corporate and public accounting. I have an extensive background in accounting, audits, and taxes, and I'm all about helping you take control of your money and live smarter. If you're self employed, a freelancer, or run a small business, you probably heard of something called a Schedule C when tax time comes around. But what is a Schedule C? And why does it matter? Today, I'm going to break it down in simple terms. No accounting jargon, so you understand what it is, why you need it, and how it affects your taxes. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. What is a Schedule C? Schedule C is a form you fill out with your personal tax return on the Form 1040 if you're self employed or run a small business by yourself. Think of the Schedule C as a report card for your business income and expenses. It tells the IRS three things: how much money you made from your business, what you spent running your business, and what your profit or loss for the year was. It is used by sole proprietors, basically anyone who works for themselves and isn't a corporation or a partnership. So, on the Schedule C, you're going to put your name. You'll put your social security number only if you don't have an EIN, an employee identification number. You'll put the principal business or profession, and then there's codes from the IRS for each different type of business or profession. And then you'll put the business name. If it's not separate, you'll just leave it blank for your name. And then you'll use your business address. If it's your home address, you'll just leave it blank. And then you'll put your town, post office, zip code, and all that good stuff. Now, on the schedule thing, see, the first thing you're going to report is your business income here in part one. This means all the money you earn from selling your services or products before subtracting any expenses. It includes cash, checks, credit card payments, basically every dollar your business receives. Remember, keep track of every payment from clients during the year. Even the small amounts count. Next, in part two, that's where you're going to enter your business expense. These are the costs you pay to run your business. Schedule C lists the common expenses like office supplies, advertising, travel, utilities if you work from home, professional fees like software or subscriptions, vehicle expenses if it's used for your business. Remember, you can only deduct what directly is related to your business. Personal expenses don't go on here. And if there's something on here that an expense you may have had that is not listed, you can always put it in line 27 alpha, which is other expenses. So, why is the Schedule C important? Filling out the Schedule C is important because it determines how much business profit you made, and that profit is what you pay taxes on. If you have more expenses than income, you might have a loss, which can sometimes reduce your overall tax bill. Also, the IRS uses the Schedule C to figure out how much self employment tax you owe. That's the tax that covers Social Security and Medicare for self employed people. Keep good records. To make filling out the Schedule C easier, keep good records throughout the year. Save invoices, receipts, bank statements, anything related to your business money. Here's a pro tip for you: use an app or a spreadsheet to track income and expenses regularly. Don't wait until tax time. That's when it gets stressful. Make sure you get help when needed. Schedule C can seem overwhelming, but don't worry. You can use tax software that guides you through it, or hire a tax professional if you want extra help. The key is to not ignore it. It's a big part of how you report your business earnings to the IRS. Let's recap what we learned today really quickly. The Schedule C is a form to report your business income and expenses. Remember, it tells the IRS how much money you made from your business, what you spent running your business, and what your profit or loss was for the year. It helps to figure out your profit and how much taxes you owe. Filling out the Schedule C is important because it determines how much business profits you made, and that profit is what you pay your taxes on. Third, keep good records to make it easier. Save your invoices, receipts, bank statements, and anything related to your business money. And finally, you can always get help from software or a pro. You can use tax software that can guide you through filling out the Schedule C or hire a tax professional if you want the extra help. Just remember, if you run a business on your own, understanding Schedule C is super important. It keeps you organized and helps you avoid surprises with taxes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clear things up, hit that like button. If you got a question about Schedule C or your business taxes, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out. I'll talk to you guys next week where we will unpack the common mistakes on the tax returns. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. And don't forget to check out our blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.